Here's how to stop background processes in Windows 10 or 11 to speed up your PC. Open the Start menu, search for Task Manager, and open it. You will see all currently running background processes. Right-click any specific one you want to stop and select End Task, but be careful not to end anything critical to your system. To reduce background processes more broadly, click Startup Apps on the left sidebar and disable any application you do not need launching automatically when your PC boots, since more startup apps means more background processes running constantly. Next, open Run, type msconfig and press Enter. Click the Services tab and check the box for Hide All Microsoft Services. This step is important so you do not accidentally disable critical system services. Click Disable All, then Apply and OK. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect, which will noticeably reduce the number of background processes running. If you run into any issues afterwards, simply return to this same Services page and click Enable All to restore everything back to normal. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.